Hey Eric, I just want to say thank you for including me in the process of you repairing the guitar and doing what you did. The skits were fun. I like that you just sent me little clues of what to do, and I took it and ran with it. And it's fun. It made it more personable. I like that, and hopefully it starts a thing because it's neat to see and just okay, here's someone working on a guitar on someone else's guitar. Well, include the other person. That's awesome. Thank you again. The person I gave the guitar to, he loves it. He started taking guitar lessons today. So we'll see how it goes and whatnot. But anyway, all right, Eric, and again, thank you very much. It's been an awesome, fun ride, and hopefully if other people send you guitars, you do the same to them as we had. Just include them in the videos, and it makes it a whole lot fun. All right, man, again, thank you again.